Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys mirrored wall art that I'll be doing for Mother's Day. Yeah, so let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, we have this square mirror that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we have these mom signs that I also got from the Dollar Tree. They're super cute. And then we have some silver metallic spray from Walmart. And we have our flower bling wrap. And we have some E6000 glue. And our scissors. And our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, I've decided to add some flowers. So I'm outside showing you how I'm going to spray paint them. Now I'm just spray painting the flowers lightly because I don't want them totally covered with the silver spray paint. So I'm just doing patches of paint right throughout the flowers. And then now I'm going to do the leaves. I'm going to spray paint the leaves completely silver. The flower is kind of silver and the leaves all silver. Alright everyone, now I'm gonna in the mom sign there is a space where you could see through. So I'm just taking some bling paper that I got from the Dollar Tree and cut out the circle, and we're just gonna fit it within the O of the mom sign so it looks very nice. It's for a picture, but we're not putting a picture in there. And now we're going to use our flower bling wrap and bling out our mom sign, you guys. Now we're going to add our mom sign to our picture frame, which I have spray painted metallic silver with the spray paint. So we're just going to use the hot glue and add the mom sign to the top and to the bottom of our frame. And now with these popsicle sticks or craft sticks, we're going to add E6000 and hot glue to help enforce to keep the mom sign firmly in place. And the E6000 will dry overnight. The hot glue will help us keep working right now and hold it in place. Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody else to be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waiting. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby. And now we're going to add our flowers to our design. We're going to cut off the back stem of the flowers and we're going to use the hot glue and put them down to our frame. And now I'll be adding our silver leaves to our frame also. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. And now we're just going to add back our mirror to our frame. And now I'm just going to add some hot glue to the hooks on the back of the frame because I really don't trust them. So for extra firm support, I'm adding some hot glue. And here's our finished look, everyone. I think it looks very nice. A nice little wall decor for Mother's Day. You know, a nice mirror that you can hang on the wall. And Mom can look at herself and see the mom side. Know that you were thinking of her when you made this lovely piece of wall decor for her. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you with another neat and fun idea for you guys to do for Mother's Day. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to do for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone. Yeah. Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody else, somebody for you, girl. You need somebody that's